In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious wonton soup recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need wonton wrappers, 1 box of chicken stock, 8 ounces of ground pork, 10 green onion strips, 10 green onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. In a bowl, we're going to start by adding our meat. Add the cornstarch. Season with the sugar. Half the sesame oil. Half the soy sauce. And half of the green onions. Add some of the meat in the center of a wonton wrapper and fold up to create a triangle, sealing the sides with water. Once you have the triangle created, we're going to fold the 2 edges together, creating a crown shape. In a pot over heat, we're going to start by adding in the chicken stock. To this, we're going to add 2 cups of water. Add in the green onions, sesame oil, soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Mix together. Cover with a lid and simmer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we're going to remove the green onions. Add in the wontons. Cover with a lid and simmer until the wontons are completely cooked. The soup is complete, and now you can add green onions on top for the garnish. We hope you enjoy.